Guys, we are packed and ready. Claire, I'm not gonna show no me a beard. Oh, wait. No. Guys, Patties! Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video from Life with Tiffy. If this is your first time onto my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload another video. And it's time to fly. So we are getting ready to leave out for the airport. Not dry. Can't feel more lotion. But to put on my socks. Let me see if I can quickly show you my little airport fit. Hold on. This is it. And I'm wearing sneakers. Oh, by the way, guys, got this hair from Unice. It really feels nice. Tag Unice and tell them here. Wig influencer in Canada. Yeah. So we are, as I said, just getting ready to leave up for the airport. And I'm just doing my final touches. I also have some press-ons that I cured. And I am about to put them on. You know, today I saw a video and someone said that when you see people putting on press-ons, it's a sign of recession. Is that true? Because I like to do both. But I think I like the versatility, especially going on vacation. I like the versatility if I want to be able to change the nails. So I already cut down my nails, buffed them and everything. Let me show you the nails that I'm going to be putting on. So it's these ones. Don't they just scream vacation? Yeah, I know. And that's them being cured under the lights. I've already put the top coat on these ones, so I'm just allowing them to cure. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep you guys here with me while I do this. This is the glue I use. I got this glue off Shein or Temu. Don't remember right now. It's to push back your nail bed. I don't like doing it, but I'll push it back a bit. Guys, if you're hearing a buzzing sound, someone's doing their barbershop activities right now. And so we're sharing the nail tech on this barbershop, clearly. All right, let's get these on quickly. I am all done with the nails and they are definitely giving summer. So perfume. Let me get my jacket. Hold on. So guys, we are packed and ready. And we're leaving. We're heading out now to the airport. And I will catch you either in the car or at the airport. So yeah. We are at the airport now. We are going to get our boarding passes printed because we're having trouble scanning, and then we're gonna check in and go on the back but wait for 2 hours. So we just landed in Atlanta. So now I'm gonna run God out of plane. Tired to say? Wanna sleep, yeah? So I want. Not cute. It's like 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock now. Thank you.
The next stop is Concourse D. Yes, it's direct. Where you can find more than 300 places to shop, dine, and explore.
Okay, guys, we have found our next gate. Our flight leaves in about an hour. So right now I'm just sitting down. My husband, he went to get something to eat, but I'm not hungry. So I will not be getting anything. But I am sleepy. So I know I'm about to sleep on this other plane. And one thing about me, I don't play. When it comes down to sleeping on these planes, I like having to sit down, gone, clock out, check out. Yeah, so I had to get a tie head. The hat was enough. I know the wig are going with itself. So this is less tension on my head than the hat. Guys, look at my nails. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys when we land in Florida. So I know I'm looking crazy, guys, but we've been flying since last night. So we finally made it to Florida. Woo! So now we're just gonna go and grab our luggage and get some food. It's the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. No sleeping. We're going outside. Okay? Outside. So stay tuned. See you when we grab our bags and thing. Alright, I'm about to touch down officially into the streets of Florida. And I want you to see my raw reaction. Like this little door though. Alright. Warm. Nice and warm. Security checkpoint Delta.
Let me drive from here to the
Drive from where? From where?
From where I live. It'll take me like about 6 days, 5 days in the truck.
Because you're on the other side. Because if you're in the power and right near to New York,
Yeah.
you'll be
You're the on the side.
you're there.
5 hours from New York flight. Pop up and the other son had door.
If hot,
But that good.
run inside. Can't do it at all.
I'm supposed to come Canada. I don't know if you're putting this and you put manage.
And I had to take my week off because I can't let them see me all the time in my hot girlness. Because, oops, as y'all know, I'm taken. I just watched the match with Canada and Morocco. Unfortunately, Canada is going to go home. They lost. I should give you a tour of the property, shouldn't I? Outside bathroom right there. I'm gonna take a shower there one day and let you all see. Clear, I'm not gonna show them my bed. I'll show you the bathroom. This is so good, but I have to take my time with it. I'm gonna bed it. I'm well want to bed. Feeling sticky. The wall works. But I also need to get a nap. I am actually tired.
They're wet.
When the food ready, I'm gonna show them there's lobster, there's chicken, there's fish, there's gonna be burgers, maybe hot dogs, patties from Juici Beef. Florida to the world. I try to convince us to move down here, but one cannot up on the app. Guys, I'm gonna have to find the fire because my eye want to light a man and him not to work good. So.
I can't find it when it.
Oh,
Okay.
I knew that. It's not time to find it yet, guys.
Do a little more of that. Maybe it will keep.
Woo!
There we go.
Big flames.
Oh my God.
Big flames.
Keep doing that before it goes.
Them get hot attack. Them get hot. Christ. Just go in the pool. Go in the pool. Go swim.
What about me? Can I watch?
Jesus God. Josiah.
Yeah.
No shouting.
Do that. Wait, put that on the other kind of
Alan.
No more entertainment for you guys. That's it.
Oh, so you're here entertaining kids with fire. Yeah, are you Capleton?
Yeah, keep the fire on. What?
Keep the fire on.
Keep the fire on. What?
Look at these bumps in my face. Like we have to do something. Chef Tiffy.
Come on.
No.
Please.
No.
Come on.
That's a no. Guys, now try to fan the fire back to life. Guys, Patty! Juici Beef Patties! Hold on, y'all gotta see me get the first bite. Hold on. Stay right there. I'm kind of lean, but that's where I go. Jamaica in a bubble. Oh God. Like one like that? Cocoa bread. No, no, make a cocoa bread? Before everybody else. I'm so thankful. Thank you so much. You still there? Of course. You don't understand the joy.
Those are OMG things. Sorry, I had to. That's annoying.
Best day ever.
Yeah, Father's Day,
Not Father's Day.
yeah, Father's Day. Father's Day.
And I get that Juici party.
No, sir.
No, sir. Can't hear that.
No.
God live it. Everybody over there trying to make party.
Huh?
When I get no, with the party, we let go over there. Yeah. Because Canada not allow to bring in.
Guys, back kill them in a loony. Hello, make sure you come on the board with something good enough. Now when I come over here if you can't play now, and you're gonna cry now. You're gonna cry? Okay. It is so hot! Oh, thank you. I'll have you know, this is my first time ever eating lobster, so it better be good. Yes. Guys, my first lobster encounter. Smells fishy.
Smell it, man. Come to Patties, show like
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Here you go. What's that? I told you I've never eaten it. What's in now? Come on. No more scan.
Big 6 now.
Yeah.
Big 6 taking one.
Alright. Mommy, we knew we are.
Okay.
Always say to Patties, I best let me try it in a warm meal. I eat it already raw.
Little salty.
Salty.
But you know what? Maybe it's just me. Because at home, we cook with little bit of salt. But it tastes good.
You ain't too much coming in. Stop that, you know that.
Sacrificial on that.
What a stamp for you now.
Good morning. It is day 2 in Florida. We are gonna go to breakfast now. I'm gonna take out a good simple breakfast fit. I have this gray dress that I'm gonna wear, and I'm gonna try to make my hair look all cutesy. Probably add some accessories just because. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I hope you've been enjoying the vlog. Again, happy 4th of July if you are American or you celebrate the 4th of July. Next time you see me, I'm gonna look bust down, not bust up. Anyway, soon come back, guys. All right, guys, we're ready for breakfast.
Yes.
Say hi.
Hi.
Tell them we're going to brunch.
Why?
Yes, guys. So brunch in Florida.
What is brunch?
Brunch. It's breakfast, lunch, but the in between.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
No, brunch is in between breakfast and lunch. This homeboy don't know about brunch. What did you eat? That's the appetizer.
Appetizer, okay. So guys, we're having double appetizer today with 5 meals.
What's up?
I'm gonna squish you. You gotta fix it. Fix me.
There's that one.
Fix me up, dude. Fix me up.
This?
My passport in there. Hey, say hello.
Are you recording?
So we came to IHOP. Yes, let's go.
What in the YouTube vlog are you doing?
We're YouTube vlogging.
Oh, you all vlogging.
Look me up.
I hope I'm famous.
Guys, you gotta make Daniel famous.
When I used to watch YouTube videos back 2 years ago, she doesn't, and she hates it.
Come, let's say hi to the people. Say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
How are you doing, people? Yeah.
Damn! I have a YouTube test, the cupcake. But I want more than one cup. Is this a small cupcake pancake?
What you want, JJ?
Thank you.
And can I get an apple juice? Here's apple juice.
Yeah, the same.
And that's it.
Asia?
Wow.
Asia go.
Asia's right here.
Huh? Asia? Asia?
Yeah, baby.
Go.
We'll get you a French toast stick
So I'm going to get the...
with 1 scrambled egg and 1 bacon and 1 sausage.
Can you stop biting on everything?
No color this.
Me never check the menu, but just make sure.
He was in free boy by his
Hot cocoa.
So JJ don't eat eggs. And then can I have
4, 5,
6 out of 10. So, yeah. No. The flavor, the hash brown was definitely a 2 out of 10. The omelette did kind of on the drier side for me. So the omelette, me give that a 5 out of 10. The pancake, 7 out of 10. You want me drive, Kim1? Just tell me when to go in a left, right, and me driving. You want to drive? Yeah, come. I'm showing all this thing, girl. Come. I drive carry them one people. I carry on the youths. I carry on the youths. Send us, sir.
Can't like the hamburger along the shelter.
I try to get my money to work.
Yeah, you could drop them in the sun and then.
No, why not drop them in the sun? It's nice, you know, with the old
Guys, I come to on a rough every day, don't it? But I think I want to wrap up the vlog today and start a new one because we're going to West Palm Beach. So we are having breakfast right now. Let me show you what we're having. So we're having omelet with hot cocoa, bread. There's like veggies in there, bacon, sausages, stuff like that. So we'll quickly chop on this, then get ready and go to West Palm Beach, and I'm bringing you guys with me. Okay guys, so messy. I'm gonna go fix it up. But we're getting ready to go on the road. I did say we're gonna go to Florida. Irma, Florida. West Palm Beach. So here's what, let me wrap up the previous vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed, like the video and share it with someone. I'll catch you in the next upload, which is gonna be, or the next video, which is next.